In this video, we will demonstrate how to flash the UIFlow to firmware onto the StamPLC, as well as how to edit and deploy programs. Download and install the M5 Burner firmware flashing software from the official M5 Stack website. In the device list on the left side of M5 Burner, select StamPLC, find the UIFlow 2 firmware for StamPLC, and click Download. Connect the device to the computer via USB Type-C cable. Hold down the boot button until the red indicator light turns on, then release it to enter download mode. Click Burn. Enter the Wi-Fi and other related configuration information. Click Next to flash the firmware. After the firmware has been flashed, the device needs to connect to UIFlow 2 before programs can be deployed. StamPLC supports connecting to UIFlow 2 in two ways: access code or USB. This tutorial demonstrates how to connect using the access code method. After StamPLC starts up, you can view and get the access code on the UI program page. Before connecting, make sure the device has successfully connected to the network. Open the UIFlow to Web IDE. Click Controller to open the device list. Click Connect Device. Enter access code and name your device. We'll walk through examples to show program editing on StamPLC and UIFlow 2. Example 1. Use UI Editor to display Hello M5 Stack on the screen. Drag the screen block to adjust screen brightness. Click Run once for temporary test. Example 2. LED. Use LED blockly to make the indicator light blink every 1 second. Example 3. Button. Use button blockly to display the button state when pressed. Example 4. Speaker. Use speaker blockly to make the device beep every 2 seconds. Example 5. Can. Use the can blockly to control the unit roller can brushless DC motor to rotate at a constant speed. Example 6. Relay. Use the relay blockly to turn the light bulb on and off alternately. Example 7. Digital input. Use digital input blockly to read and display 3 of the 8 opto-isolated input channels in real time. Example 8. RS485. Use PWR485 blockly to establish RS485 communication between StamPLC and Core S3 and display the received data on the Core S3 screen. Here's the full demo of programming StamPLC on UIFlow 2. Give it a try.